enchire yen baby a wo kasa free so wo de men kan chire nemum asem na e ha wo no problem no a edi unya de edi wawu e pra wo no na wato bo ase a chirichiri mu a chire yen na ya find a solution to that problem no confessions were Adom 106.3 FM Ofie Kwanso Jumedi eso. Good afternoon and welcome. You're from Jerry Justice. As that can say a call amount say Odiatoa na Uti Jumedi. The Dion Common producers no Papa Bills African Akete Ebiso Common Zoo so no so shena de koso so no amafon so etimi ehunu yen. Baby, you can join us on Facebook. Yes, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Na eja also wait me ashe the ekoso. ATN sem ready baby ahoma tum 0302 216 561. Afe 0302 216 562. If I try fra would any baby our casa friend there and they remember would they just go straight to the point. Na I can't assembly chair and near monkom and no any day share. Sebena yibiti me I share was some no and who and we at the amount. Come on.
O cheque minha na meja minha someday Mr. Paimo minha motor so motor Mr. Wasende me kuma me amazing cuckoo hey Masem ye wasem misu ye musu miyamotar so saramotar wasem seden sediko mamia mezi.
Okay, enti yabekwa woman so na ya hyase for friend no. Not yet here on for NSM. Hello, good afternoon. Sorry. Hello. Too bad. Yeah, try beam. Hello.
Hello, Roger. Good evening.
Patrol, what you saying? You, me patrol yet here was more than them.
Roger, patrol, me new baby na trim pinakakra.
More worry.
Young worry, I mean, I've been for about 4 years now.
Hey,
Roger, I feel so many know Papa. Many know who you and me too quite. Me too quite for sure, Kumasi Kakra. Me could do better 2 years do on a age my 70s. Until me did no jam, mammy, or walk, me, mammy, me, me, jam, mammy. Until no, me were one and mammy friend say, or banana minute on him. I'm so saying you dia
me ba na one no bada dada ansa na wo kokuma
papa me ne no baba ko
okay
me ne no baba ko na me tu kwa kuma se be 2 years ni nti no me wa no wa say afem say onyem menti ase nti ma me hu say enya me ne no na enyem nti ma me so ma me pressure say oba me ne na ti e bia na oba no ho no wo kuma se ana Mr. Minim Hoshi.
Auntie, oh, mammy, be sound. Oh, I said, I catch your man, or ban one Messa Kumasa Crada.
But there be no Kumasomba or Femna Mr. in his Kanya, the idea of say or me, or catch a man, Miss Obano, who Kumasi, Miss Obano order. Mr. Ninis Kanya, the idea of Colani school fees, the idea, and Mr. Namano. But Jerry, she said, Colan say me, a bunny, I made just a main JD or the Mbako Waju. And in some brave, I could my confused. I just mean no more. She already share me so by force.
Enti sisi
mama e basa pa
obe basa na enti ede na one o maame ezi anamo be na motu afa ho
me say sisi akapo mi ni akra me da so hye ase ejuma saminti
chesa
me maame
o ma back
me mbae esa sa me maame nim ni nti no bibi obeka cha me maame bia na waje tum na my mother is blaming me abra me num ho hwe akwala nso se eye mia na me ne nyem a ode me ko waaju me se me hware dia ode me ko waaju
minue enti 2 years nie na wakotena kumase no enti 2 years ni mu nyina no woni oba na ba akokra
da bi me fia mpo me omba me ompo da
ena meba o ena 2 years ni nyina mu nso no wonso o ma back mesra o ma mpo en mehwe oyiri anase ompene ne oban so da
memba krada ejuma tede mejuma ne tino tede esi kono man hwe ya on betumi eyi mi ebi nta ma me show me ma yes campo na ma sen ya ma no so on bebi a me won ni bebi a me ma no on distance ni nti bibi kakra na wa kwa me ma no na akoma ni complain abia me so me wo minnim ho hwe
okay minua ya te wasem no enti u de councilor bebem na ya hwe se de be kosi why
pacho yo let us
ye na ase asemu next caller hello good afternoon
brother
minua na et say
boko wawso
me ho so pa adumara ko e pacho ye ti o
inde mi problem ni say se mi forward and for mi yi makuma mpa bibi hia okra emfa mi se me kwa to mi bibi e de sika na ma nansu ufum mi a tin se mi di weche
me ba o
hardly for me to forgive hello
sa dan for na o kan no common friendship ya na say empratwe mu de na okay
da common friendship ya
eti
you makuma mpa mi forward and for mi yi makuma mpa se juma po mi timi yeah you man bet ufu mi a u ya mi yipe na ashimia to some extent
eno na your problem no
mpa twa
that say obi efun wa untimi fa nche no
it's not easy because let me to me free me move forward and for okay ufu mi say ya na ebe mi die ya mi ti ona mi kai
okay yana councilor Becca say an say emo bi ho why
mpacho yo
obia na ni Mr. Mo, my producer Mika says, na sa ade no so mo fa ade no na find for a solution na also your be say mo ho no de ndi American sa no said the owo pepa na odo enkrofo so na e bi obi trainer forgiving here na Israel American sa no because anyway o de councilor bebam eti councilor bamu na yetie de ono so ebeka Eddie Atwaso. Young fan next caller. Hello. Oh, sorry. Young tribe. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Me patro bibi aboko de.
Pastor Nyame adom.
You, ye de Nyame ase. Patro it you.
Me patro. Me sumi de ne
me sra wa ma one so mai pa na one wo from why?
Yo, me patro me ha we say. Be man me na wo me nsa. Enkwala no. Be 3 years. Oh yes, you see, in Colani, on Passaba Colani. I'm not sure how can't you do a jam. Hello.
What's it? What in our worry? Our worry, Dimu Pepe. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Me say, my worry, a worry, papa.
Paper show what Bobby was for.
But on your one day,
that's why
it's funny say be a knocking be no air.
That's why.
And I'm watching for how long?
But your first born is 21 years.
Eh?
Yes, first born 21.
My first born echo 21. And not just a more drum bed 22, 23 years old.
20, if I said 22.
22.
That's why.
And I feel was a day.
What one on can you do a jam? Colana's one. On the Salvation Colana. A dying dance sounds one, but you are banker. A friend one on a friend one or yummy. Oh, phone so.
No, I hear phone so.
That's why.
Okay, this is say no problem in say Beman and Shem Colano on Shem so.
That's why. Don't know what I said, or Jam.
Na Ugusun in it.
It may have been anything between the also finished at the
The Dadani Nasa and say a confusion about now Abanza.
And then anything.
The Dadani now to baby on Susan baby.
That's why.
Na anyebia on your bow for and so our answer saying.
That's why.
Young fans such as on an ear in it.
That's why.
And now all the end day. Okay. And he say, Ope say, or Shem Colani man. So now, Obi, our name, sir, or Irena, also in Nashisha 23 years, 22 years now, only now 3. And he no expect to say, oh, Yanni, no me worry one.
That's all, one can't simply me for a year. It's chairman on the curtain and told you. And that one of Susanna again, I say, I don't know what to want if I want to. If you make a woman back, you need to bear a present and for woman buy and again on Abba. Other patch or other. If you really buy no. If you really buy no. I say, again, and so I will hope. Abba. It's a message. It's a hand money. Well, I know how that man. I didn't yeah, so them and I don't. But me what you know. It's a why. That's it. To say, you're for women, say, yeah, it's a bata.
It is a Siano. Problem no. Is it say Obeshan Colano na what now baby and now person wants to know or uncle or be wires who can hear him?
David said, oh, you know, one cinema. And go on cinema.
It says, I say, yeah, can, yeah, Cassa, yeah, Shimua. One now, your first wife, and now Baba Kuna, your first one, and now your second.
It's so back on first one, so I mean, the Bible.
Oh, man, and you or back on the mano.
That's why.
Just a woody gun in a first.
That's why.
But all worry on Mummy and one dear Ejao.
That's why.
Same. Oh, Lino, Nanka. And Simbisa Bakumuni and Sambia can one son, but all the same, I think, say, you whom said the situation it here. Your fun next caller. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. I want to encourage you for now. Adagino. Hello.
Yeah, Roger, you know.
Boko. The patrol, Bibia Boko there.
Roger, but I'm away about the PR museum follow Instagram, so we cross and
you made us a pa. Me patrol, Yinti was and what in a way.
Battery. Yeah, big thing of the
Me patrol, low radio ne na a casa de.
Hello, yeah. Let me see, battery. Me the thing of the
Oh, Master BT.
Can you call
Who then the degree move there, pa?
Battery. Me, counselor, the BM, you know, I had the mammy, you know, the wisdom said, me a baby, they said, Badger, me answer for bomb by a moment. He said, Mamma Juma Class, we are my two grand, make 2 grand banker, you know. Me, Juma crying, because how do we know?
Now, I don't know who said masturbation, I'm away to my uncle.
Oh, Braja, time na I didn't master, and I'm who sent me. Nangasano, Mammy no Massity, Mammy will pray warrior more, sorry. Suddenly about Macramina, and Mamma, sorry, called me some by Bonnie Mano, made Jai cry.
Na me ba e de na ya e kan e ma enunti e ma wo masturbate no.
Braja, I did me on the phone so cry.
Ah, wo masturbate wo phone so.
No, me share phone na me the masturbate. And I'm in phone website or react to my meaning. Suddenly, me delete application now, me to me fast their call when you na see me phone so still.
Wo be san download it.
Abe ma yes ade.
Na enti phone na wo phone so bebrebe ni ade na delete ni na free so e.
Largely, me delete ya. Asema to ha na me busy me san ko download it. It mean delete the beer. Go to another copy. I'm class me send me sit touch na. Emma ma dream course send be ya. Me sa ko download no. Sindikita ya na. It me ko internet nko as me who pictures are here you cry. Na ma me yes ade. Ha me fa me we are me to sa so. Me no the club.
Na o girlfriend.
But your
it will girlfriend in himself masturbate.
Oni ebu oka Obama nche o da okra na masturbate.
O girlfriend na best round no da won chen no.
Of course.
Ade ne ho yan wakono.
Bo amiji ya ya de ne me yi. Ba o ye wi e pe na obi onu wada no.
Wa fire girlfriend e wi no na o da ho na wa say masturbate.
That's right. That's it.
Enti, do you believe say a more spiritual than physical na?
Mitini da na ase mitini wo ha ho. E na de bibi na ye hyem so say ni ye sa de no. Ni ankasa ma dwemo ni de enka me pesa na. Ya hyem so am hu no ni mitini ti ebu ha wi akra mitini obi am ye dwuma no ni fi kwan hyeda nwasa ba mitini ti wo dwuma ni na makofi akoye sa de na ma sa de dwuma.
Ah, wo adwuma mu etimi kan ma ofi adwuma mu kofi ko masturbate san ba.
Nti ada miti sofu kwa amena no. Ani de che worship no ti de bia ada me be fi amene me menti ni de that one no de o se me tumu kofi. Three bi so na me revisit neki. Se me yese me ti worship na ase ma dwe fi so ti wo gra me ti ma dwe ti me fi so kra na ma ye de kofi me ti tu edwuma mu kofi ko ye sa de me san ba. Push me na mako.
Okay. Yate, enti ye behwe. Why? Ye behwe na.
Read me pamuchoa, dum pamuchopa, read me clofa, me read me bisa de read. Ni mo me pa na read hame pa hame bre. Na mi ya mi su sa ya fa me kofi. Mi su sa na mi di kasa sa kla kofi ade na wo ha ho sa. Mi su sa so I mean, no matter what, I'm not on my side. You're slow.
All right. Yate, why? Yate, Evans, you now you fire last caller. You for last one. Hello,
Blajali.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Blajali.
To say,
but
you, the battery, it's you.
My problem is oba girlfriend me ne tia ya adin se be ware say na ni nyina chi one madam fu so sa chimpe na wa chiri
where then na hui
oze
where then na hui
oh say me boss story never.
I love that. Okay, it's your girlfriend now on no more planet some be wire no on no down for so sign chimpna.
Beautiful, pepe.
Was beautiful. Okay, to our story this way.
And madam for no nipa boni ni to pesca. No I said that again say o make me so pesca you see, o pesca ko school. The guy the ba na media man. Bibi obusan bia na media man no. Say me imagine say na me ware ntinu. Ana one day me ko hu moto kromo. Me hu mangasa ana me kwamu. Ito ba fi na musa say na dia na woni madam for you to kromo. O say oni madam for nya fi na o kire na de na me say o kire wa de na to kromo na o be kire wa de. Anya me na de on timi kira de ku no fi ana. O na again ni buafu. O to say the American into men family coin or family coin. The mice I mean manipo again super any coin to be in the beam. Me both for them is tell me no cause I cry me both for them is
Kafra.
Mentia said that.
Kafra. Enti say no waja oko.
Wa oko.
Also o man ware ni biem.
Yeah, I say be na do entire pie. Dama in so cry me no.
Oh.
Me I do not be so pena me machine me yem na sheme pena me both for me ntimi ndi ankasa.
Broken heart abam. Okay. Ode ebehwe afutu a counselor de be ma on this issue. Why?
Bache me da was pa.
Yenso yeda ase pa foda. Yemfa ayi asidama ye sponsors no quickly na ye ne counselor Oscar Sripi ento aso na yenhwe anuye a de be ma ensemo ahodo o manfo e de abedan e na awie nso el confession so Ofie Kwanso dwumadi so ense oni bia toda otiti bisa na tinam say wo ni problem out there just listen utia who am for problems omo famu na bo se nyame ne wadi ni na fe nso no solution na ebeba no afutuo na eka ho ebeba no so no watie bi na onso ode abobra Feco spray starch Emma iron and very easy. What the go at a day material and yeah dada cry now ma sign mono kama pa. Mishia Feco. And menta debia. Just I that debia or cry Nancy ma started she bua Michelle actually your shirt fine. And now all 5 years ago and I just in Kamajajo. Oh material and yeah dada crowd good out to say as I looking brand new. Now am iron and it's why very simple cry, very easy the amount. Esuntu spray check ansa na asa na the to ade wi na ja nice fragrance so ewo wata ade no nti say when you use perfume cra you are good to go. Another quality product from Samara Company Limited. Feco spray starch also look sharp. Available shops no stores no supermarkets out one nyina mu. Petra Trust say o da chinti and they make sure say obey verify with details nyina with your trustee now correct any irregularities bia ade ya say while working hard while you adwumaden hoping say at retirement abrabon be come at the amount na so be no irregularities bi mu wo no e details mu ntina fe usika je na akwa basa it ende ya uguswa we active our adwuman find out say pension contributions no cra ni state to saying and ye bia cra tier 2 contributions no wo employer no otua na why no trustee ya that you bet your lump sum benefit the amount at retirement so timusa nema we na ekobasa wo de no Petra Trust for the management very simple and also be you phone no about *447*70# now I select option 5 now I submit your contact details no for verification. That's simple. For further inquiries visit www.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. Afi asede di o farmer Kojak Farmer ono NNA or my Kojak F toothpaste and then the mouthwash wa udi ade a de na o se fem wa na de hot na de yi chilled pan na untimi stand no we use Kojak F toothpaste in the mouthwash ya ebejai wo de ne severe pa to da o se ni create me or you to sa choose create to da na etumoja use Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Later now I switch it to Kojak F but so pay best result pa aya for Kojak sensitive toothbrush no account ebe contempa e the amount ni na available our pharmacy shops how do ni name across the country dodo pa no hwehwe Kojak from Echia Kwan Kanshi drug lane yes our phrase 0249 209 920 and our 0260 870 780 and kratwe FDA ai munhwe mu age atum se oha bia eni akiri yakoya ni mu no eno guarantee trust bank GT Bank and they on Visa International akabomu reward the customers omo ebe make payment with their Visa debit or prepaid cards with an unforgettable AFCON experience. If you say the 10th of June 2019 2 customers on be use on Visa cards for a minimum of 20 online and then POS transactions will be eligible. So be to me winning a fun pack trip for 2 to Egypt. Now share any AFCON group stage game of their choice. Now there the crown say one lucky customer so ebetimi we need the ultimate package na ono no de wasan crown ne background san aka ho na akwantu no omotu akopim wo Egypt na star players no basa na omo fitana no mu ba no kola na ye ka omo ho omo escort omo no ye de oba na ka ho na chese escort omo de omo be ani straight to the pitch near there lie emu ye pa ti fa ho shimbi it could be you na also ne sweetheart no oba no makona afa. So between June and July, make sure you use your GT Bank Visa card. Now, at least one transaction daily for a week. Now, what me enya pass I no ubet me enya AFCON viewing party no so emu akwenya. So make sure you transact with your GT Bank Visa card. Now, with me a winning big time. Terms and conditions apply. For further inquiries, in patch of friend 050 1449 490 and our free 050-140-9480. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? It is just a minute to 4. Our 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station. Yeguso ye entino. Ye Councillor Oscar Sripin so bekasa na de ohono. Ono so ede amayen. Asem na yene Councillor Oscar Sripi Enigitown. Councillor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Na me pacho ete saying.
Nyame adom ho ye. Na mo so ye.
Nyame adom kruya nsunti yenso ye ho ye papa. Yo, obi ajo so. Yenko first issue no so. Ose one oba no one be ma no ahihye ho for 4 years. Na omo ewo ba. Na nansan mu no na niem mu adi nti otu kwan ekwohye kumase. Be 2 years enie. Ba omo wo ba ko ho dada. Ogusu kumase na no o send sika de mo bayi e mo de bi hwa akola no ne ma me so hia sika no asend bi de amana na adwuma no ye such that wan hwe no jeja wa wan hwe obetimi lose ne job. Eti ama for the 2-year period no on ba fie e wa kra e no ba no so mbesra no kumase won so da bad na sen ya ne ma me afre ne se oba na nyem eti no mehwe no mo nka ho asem e no se da bi oba na nyem sen ono entimi nye possible because ono ne ndai ne ma me say na say bi awo ho yi oba yi ba ho ana bibi ntino ebi en na ma na nyem ono so oba ne man ho dentiwi no ote ase enye yi but now oba ne ka chen say on the pregnancy ne ne de anti say wa ma mehwe de a odne be ko waju ene de kenka ho but ono de believe say pregnancy no enye ne dia na sem nie
me das me tie for nyina
tie for joso
o si onware no eno ne nawo omo awo ba ko dada na ena ne ma me so dije so
ma me no so ya ne ade eso ni bibia
ne ma me so dije so o se ne bani no bia wo onware no ba ne ma me so dije so nti oba ne nyim no ne ma me say ombra no ombe hwe akwara ni bana gana wanyim na meboa sasa na tie hello Jerry
counselor
otininka
me pa cho me tonka counselor
aha menu menya po anka ne ma me no instead of nka so train na ade we si no ko so to me advice in the ban
yeah
no worry girl no you see on council na your program we so no we will tell the people the truth,
sure,
nothing but the truth. Now I see 2 years no one can get no that and again him
yeah
and again it's on in the coward the only stay only getting near the other na akwarani nyene dia o de ontonebo na get no get no we I'm saying that these days no there's so many ways go test am go say akwara we nyem ba na say ni ba there's no argument so nipa we nyem ba and I'm convinced beyond every reasonable doubt say akwara we nyem ba. All I need to do is wait. The most important thing is to get about we here on pestica. Now I'm going to find out whether I need to be I think when Subika, but so be still no be called you. Oh, a honor. We will tell the person the truth. Only know what you ask me, who can answer this. And adopt you. Wherever you are going, no, what could you now say? Said so could you not say, guy, the action means say, guy, is the only no money at the end. You on our call, again now, national they call. And people must understand that. Say, only them at it. Not on your 1 day. Only now back. Only the whole 1 year. The big fear, you see, oh, in life, no, the BNC, you think that you're normal. I will be only get this shower, only get neither. The getting in say officer a top guy. The moment you get the curtains on him, then that person now so. Now if it was such a excuses, the same person no. You don't say come on anyone now on now back on why no. My guy is so to can officer normal. The see and also on him again, the guy is on you know. I feel the whole realities of life. Guy and what I'll tell the guy and say, only say anybody authorable. Then bounce about who we are. I'm going to find out what I got any idea. These days, a lot of things are happening, and people are finding out. Say, where your media, It is authorable, and you get the same. Who's a Korania media? All she's looking for is a medical attention and a medical bills of the man of the hospital. Advice some of the man is for the sake of the child. And I'm saying it again. No child should suffer because some people misbehave.
Okay.
You see my stance? Because a Korania innocent. Until the unpestica, no for my girl, no or mascano under protest. So I'm not giving you this money because I'm responsible for the child. I'm giving you this money for the sake of the child, so that nothing happens to that child. Once you can put in protest, and you do the test.
Okay.
Say it will come out, and it will come out. But when you say get no pay, you can't be a hospital. But giving that money because when him say, I'm saying that for the sake of the
unborn child, no, the child is innocent. Until the Yashi, offers can money, mommy. But you give the money out under protest. That they may because of getting money, but for the sake of the child. Now, could I move here? No more finding out. And this is where we tell people the truth. Tell your bar. No, Jagan, near Wario, near Nuda, work of Trabema Sua. When you see, you think that you are normal. The moment something happens, a honorable will say, all along, no, Yenipano, on your year, and on your kun.
Okay.
Because you see, whatever report to call, no one is say, okay, Nipano, dear, Okasa, Impena, and what's the means and also on the Minabaha, or my ideas. And again, in my menu, oh, how funny you are. Sometimes I'm a boabony. Obani or be out. You don't even pursue, and that's only can putting pressure on your bar and only the right thing. Now, you want to go put pressure on your child. Young man, you calm down. Give money for the sake of the child. But do that under protest.
Okay.
So that move work on Nivea, no marche, or marche, or Munko test. But I'll do your bar, and I repeat, no one knew money. No could give you Nama Bema in the name of love, 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 love. She see the officer, he knew one day, what got Nabema so, who was in Yoma, on your da, only the animal. The respect of said Sam Bema the Manu, you will never get it.
Okay. The idea or say or no, or you be fine on Kwan. Ofina Kumamuna, Etcher or Do Emoni Parkonopa, and yes, Bia. Or Barney Bema and Yonko Fabi, but a bit normal friendship. But so Nipakono, a betrayer now, Yenny Bibi, Etiana, or finding it very difficult part to forgive that person. Now, I don't have any problem.
Yes, you won't. A dear we won't. It's deeper. If your man could be one, because some of your papa, they stopped. Obi Oko, your papa was for him, and they treated anyhow. Obi Oko, a bois, not done for so, or telling your name, I started me the boami. And not in the effort in now, quite grace and one son. No, they call one, you pay that, sorry, no. The moment I saw the pay, I pay, you better go to the group of no warning. People pray for people, they get their breakthroughs. And they show them attitude. A month of baby, a papa man for, and they show them certain attitude. But you see, going forward, because I don't know, say, see one, or the chair, two, or the chair, one shame you, baby, you become bitter. Then you don't want to do good again. Going forward, they make a change and say, oh, Baba, papa, move your mom.
Okay.
Yes, mom. Other than that, the devil will stand on that thing to pierce his heart always. And then at the end of the day, he rather becomes bitter. For you to safeguard against that, a lot of people have been betrayed. Look, I know some of the presenters. Obi or upcoming artists about one son and you will be here. I know some of you go through that. But what do you do? Because papa. But I see they do baby enough. They was a day where creative bitterness, mommy. A day where continue, sir. Before be papa mobino for whom pie. Obia boage yaku school. So be wareno. Actually, some that the piano is between. That should guy this time, this guy need to train. Obia actually near to a sacrifice them, man. I'm an Indian Sician Uno. People sacrifice for people. Until there are people who have come to the point and say, on better not be able to leave you. But you can't do that. Maybe your calling, give an account amount and say, Wanipa. Then be also Wanipa. So now, because it's something that could be person, but whom I answer. So at the end of the day, when the people even betray it doesn't become a problem. The other thing is that, Papa Mobia, don't expect anything from the person.
Okay.
Take that position. I didn't be a man if I will. The young man because Nakubo here and your papa. I'm not expecting anything from you. So whether you give me something or not, I don't care. But if you have an expectation, which we are human, in the Bible, Jesus healed 10 lepers. Only one came back to come and show gratitude. And Jesus said, because of what you have done, you have been made whole. They were healed, but they were not made whole. And Jesus said, because you have shown gratitude, you have been made whole. Listen, those of you who will be a papa on the body, be very careful. There's a scripture in Proverbs that when somebody does good for you and you pay the person back with evil, no, evil will never leave your house. I repeat, there's a scripture in Proverbs. Or say, if you pay back evil for good, evil will never leave your house. Even Yami, and you don't have that spirit of gratitude, that it becomes a problem.
Okay.
But young man, don't worry. Going forward, don't expect anything. You money because you want to do good. And going forward, the sober before you do this. Oh, yes, sir. And if I show a certain attitude, you're okay. But I know that there are a lot of people who are going through pain today because someone your problem and not show a certain level of attitude. But the bottom line means say, leave everything to God. For vengeance is of God. Let God be the judge between the two of you. And as all your people move in and Bonda was here, leave the issue to God. I know that at the end of the day, God will vindicate you.
All right. Dear, do you know Abrantiano? Echo, yeah, knocking Kekuhu or Banabusia for, but on Warren and on in our for 22 years or more and Colamian, but say no on Shen Colani beam or Banos on Sheno and on Swan, yeah, I didn't say. Or so would Jerry
or say Bermano, no, or you did that.
Or say Bermano, no new beef or bow from so haunty or wires out. But on no moon so any Berman first. And as I say,
the point is, no king, how are you?
Say, or no, a problem, Nankasane say, Beman be Shen Colan, obey take responsibility. Now, Shen Colan.
The responsibility of the man to look after the children. You know, the man cannot run away from that.
Okay.
My issue with her is, a then of trust is 22 years plus.
Yes,
so, see, on him first one. By the time she came back, no, not lady back on Abba.
Abesho.
What prevented her from leaving? And I'm saying, say, program 8 year, you know, there are millions of people who are listening to us. Until no say no at the other side. Say, oh, your bar. Yemfani said the first one, it was a mistake. So, no, and on you, and by the time we were cover now or bar now or canoe. Because also catching the say on problem wali. If you call not get number back and wow back, yes, for the why first mistake. Why do you then continue? Second one, third one, and all the man has done is knocking only natural for 22 years. After the responsibility towards the children, no, I am the man has said here. If the baby on the could be for same man to look after the children, he should do it. Over the money bush from Brim. And she should go to the right authorities, because that's for the responsibility of the children. No, a Beman has said here. But you see, no. People who also have the tendency to go into those things, we have to prevent it by saying that you worry only about knocking. Please be very careful. And you worry. Then go to the no. Because you see, you know your own. Obuo said them man this man over that. Because you see, I didn't know any free. One said I know one year. Do your bar, not even like she did, or your first mistake, or call you now be ordered. Move on with your life. Don't continue to be repeating the same mistakes. Seek for help. Why didn't you pay? Seek for help. So that immediately you can get help and move on with your life. But if you stay and you continue to make the same mistakes 1, 2, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, not to her, a baby, no, it will become a problem. You're knocking, and yet a warrior. Men to control them also. I will follow. You're knocking. Don't force your children out. They are knocking. They are not to make anything. They are not to make coercion your man. Please, Mobumba Obano. Remember 1 year, you need Dima Obano. Yes, sir. There's a certain level of respect.
Okay. They do on a brand so on masturbate pa. They are very serious. In fact, severe one pa. Ama. They said the enya effect also including the job amase say kura na chese ni bibio ye bia enkoso na sometimes kwa odwumam kura wotimi fie adwumam esan kofie just to masturbate and come back near there na chese tete no or hwe porn near there on phone so wotimi delete ni nyina porn site near there na obe delete ni nyina so obehwa na wasan download bibia back and then you know wasan get it back so now no
and I'll be saying so girlfriend and also to me done
also to me done girlfriend on the girlfriend I had na we kwa wasan that one no
no me photo pa on ba de konti o ka che ne say get done in 10 I don't know matter be don John dey
I say ne nka we dey nka
yeah please on me no asem
fache
but that in John dey
ode
ndoni ni ndano onja masturbation that was your face
sana minim say nka ja sa feeling na open ti ene
ode you want to travel the same got out
majai mama mi sa so married draw
now
also say o believe say I don't know you more spiritual than physical also say no hu no
o say the oye no also can say oye na ni bibia say here na o say say masturbation oye na ma bibia say na masturbation it makes you impure before God. It's an immoral act and it cuts your relationship between one and yame. Yes, I fear about no, it will not come. Now, source in the wall and effect in the wall. What I'll tell him is say, I don't know all yes source in my mouth. Yes, I don't know cut source. On cut source. Don't that for no I didn't see. No, I'm very in the room with pure thought. A dream, no more bedroom, dream. We don't have the time. But there is Yamiya do my own. Next week.
Okay.
I'll come to the studio.
Yeah.
What I'm coming to talk about is masturbation.
Wow.
I'm telling you. Okay. Invite your friends. I'm telling you, Yamiya, next week, I'm going to talk about the masturbation, the causes of it, the effect, and the remedy.
Okay.
I don't have the time to do this within this short time. But I want to give that young man assurance. Say, you need to catch this and say, on catching the source. I didn't more masturbate. No. Now I'm focusing on pure thought. But Nyamiya Duma, I just want to give them a hint. What I decided to come and talk about next week, and say about masturbation. Nyamiya Duma, I'm ready for that. The Nyamiya Duma next week, Obia only will be our problem. No. Invite your friend, let everybody listen. We are going to look at the causes of masturbation. We are going to look at the repercussions of masturbation. We are going to look at the remedy. Because the whole was time enough to be able to explain everything. No, be a Nyamiadum, they will get solution.
Okay.
The Nyamiaduma is the tease I'm giving.
Okay.
Next week, I'm going to talk about masturbation, the causes, the effects, and the remedy. Because also Bisan say, or you sure say masturbation or Yanamani BBA and I'm saying that one of the effects of masturbation is that your relationship with Nyame. That's one. I'm going to talk about a lot of them next week.
Okay. The final one, no, Abranti also on your bano, and a shisha one more, say, or more planets on Bewari. But now I say, Obano, cheat you on him to you, or to tell no, who says, on one the best friend, and now obey, and no, assign a trimpler. Ama boy no kura hinyeska utimi dada girl no girl no be catch so person koya DB na o di hinyeska o diska no mana na o diska na san fa wa akoma ono ana danfo no it you che no na o confront the lady no ni de abufu nti no say ne aware nkra ona ma branch ne ware
ne very ni ewu very
but utimi say adna ha boy no pose say ensuo kura besi ne kura na ne bofro no je say o tete utimi say broken heart na timi no pa ne ade.
First of all, yeah, no under Yankupansi. That any pieces here.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. Look, and you can see say before they got married, you know, Yankupon all the indicators. And they refused. Sometimes God is a good God. He knows the beginning from the end and the end from the beginning. And you all the indicators and people will never know. So by force, in the name of love, in the name of McDonald's, in the name of me, Papa Nimino, me, Mammy Nimino, they are plenty cars, you enter into that marriage, and if God does not intervene, you will suffer the rest of your life. Guy in that Nanku Kwanso said, "Nyamia de when the character of the person Koko Wareno." Can you imagine say Wareno and who's on in a damn good da? You got devastation. No, a bear more than what is going through. Yes, God gives indicators. Oh, girl, who a guy with the lot, girl with the lot, you may better be Mafukano Bekasa. But sometimes we are too stubborn. And in the name of I didn't even love, which most of them are infatuations and lust, we are the shame. I feel the car and you, where can you, in yes and come away, now you're too late. The guy should go to church, take offering. No, God, I could say, Namiaman, who Nipano in the deal. Now, on one Casano, all very to a counselor to go through a process of healing. Process of healing, you go through the root of the problem. Now, having gone through the root of the problem, then what prescribe the solution? But because a process, and a one day event, just call 1 day, what or no. As you are going through the counseling processes, you'll be healed. And advice I want to go to tell him, say, he should avail himself, the counselor, and go through a process of healing before jump into another relationship. Because sometimes it's here, because in our moment of pain, you can say cover pain. Yeah, cover will be no DH. You want to do a baby. You want to do a baby. Then, you repeating. So, if you go through that pain, that painful experience, broken heart, don't rush into another relationship immediately. Tobo, and go through a process of healing by seeing a counselor. After you are going through the process of healing, you will see that spiritually, emotionally, mentally, and physically, you are ready for another relationship before you enter into another relationship. A lot of people cover that. That process, they don't go through. They just jump into another relationship because they want to assuage the pain with that relationship. And most of the time, So, Antonio, look, if he's able to go through that process of healing, one day when he will look back and say, it was even good.
Yeah.
So one worry, they've gone through painful experiences. But actually, they realized that it was good that they went through that. They are normal breath. So the guy should go to church on Sunday, take an offering to go and thank God and make have one to come out of that relationship. He go through a process of healing before he goes into another relationship.
Okay. Counselor, that was here. Na that's so say one man what's ahead nyame aduma next week Tuesday.
Nyame aduma next week to butu.
Yeah, because we abon de wura de atwen na
we are going to talk about masturbation, the causes, the effect and the remedy.
Okay. And
I know that after that program, my Father in heaven, the God that I know, I believe in, through the power of the Holy Spirit, will heal life. Lives to be healed.
Amen.
Because in Kofobebre, their destinies have been choked and destroyed because of masturbation. And when I begin to talk about the effects, people understand why they are going through certain things in their lives. And I'm the guy can't I'm yes. One of them is that but there are a lot of things I'm going to talk about. Just tell your friends, God willing, next week, Akuma so long time, and that's what I was going to talk about. So when the guy spoke about it, I said, yes, God is telling me that it's confirming. I don't know if next week, I'll be talking about masturbation, the causes, the effect, the remedy. And I know that by the grace of God, lives will be redeemed, and the people's destinies will be set free.
Amen. Amen.
Just go to Facebook, Oscar Siripi. The Siripi is SIRIPI. After Oscar, they may say Obiani. Because sometimes people call me Siripi, but they send them here Siripi. SIRIPI. So Oscar Siripi. Those of you on Facebook, just type OSCAR SIRIPI. I need a answer. Once you come on the page, we'll take it from the Nyakubo should be
oh, she also comes like that.
For those of you who don't have the heart of gratitude, be very careful. Have the heart of gratitude. To be your papa, don't pay the person back with evil. But there's a scripture in Proverbs that says that if you pay bad for good, evil will never leave your house. Next week, I'm yet not being a still. We talking about masturbation. Let me say Ghana.
We shall also cancel Dasi. Okay, so Enchebiano, the irrigated sports and so ever trust the amount, but before that, a bit here somewhere near where the HU home for. And you mean a Kofi Amankwa, crying. We encore Emma Mamalet or Mamalet Afro Shop or Dortmund, Germany. He said the uncle a year say Ben and not Mamalet Unumio. And the Unumio. Anyway. Patrol, your fast like I say, my price sponsors on mobile na yet here somewhere the between for near and we MTN free after one. It go so coso. They all enjoy most. Bro, use internet and no bit me out to us why and because we enjoy 50 MB worth of free data out the bed browser your favorite sites in everywhere you go. I feel that they'll be answer free one for phone or phone. You only pay for the first minute of your call on MTN free after one, and the rest of your call is free. What's an 50 MB data to browse your favorite site for free, and so add your tag to the account. So just dial *315# to sign up now. We there for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Roma insecticide spray in the quail. We so any buana a two and tontomno ase na why free. What me da afili kama party ama wo. Oh, we just a way me say for where we a kum money na why free. The mosquito coil so sa unya shop say womb and one no. Kum tuntum ni na kama pa na chese ho ato. Roma insecticide spray and in the coil was say and tontom master. We another quality product here fit Samara Company Limited. Available was shops and stores and supermarkets out doing as they do on your farmer Bima Insurance and they go so